Hello and welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I am Anukriti. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about few things that you need to consider before investing in equity funds. Equity funds are a type of mutual fund which invest in equities, stock, but not in bonds. Whereas if you see mutual fund invest in equities, stock as well as bond. So now let's jump on to the factors that need to be considered before investing in equity funds. So the first factor is size of the fund. Size of the fund is nothing but the total asset under management. So always choosing any equity fund, always compare the AUM with the category average. Second is expense ratio. So there are two types of fund, active managed fund and passive managed fund. Usually active managed funds have high expense ratio as compared to passive managed fund. So always check the expense ratio of the fund that you are choosing and compare it with the category average. Third is risk reward ratio. Risk reward ratio basically measures the risk that is associated with every single rupee that you invest in equity. So always check that the risk reward ratio should always be in alignment or in sync with your risk tolerance level. Fourth is tax benefit. Before choosing any kind of investment plan, always see that what kind of tax benefits you are getting from it. So if you talk about equity funds, ELS, that is Equity Linked Savings Scheme, is the one which gives you maximum tax benefits under Section 80C. Here you can save 1.5 lakh per financial year. Fifth is financial goals. If you really want to invest in equity funds, always consider your financial goal, because different equity funds have different risk levels associated to it, and also different investors have different risk tolerance level. So always see your risk tolerance level as well as your financial goal before investing in equity fund. Sixth, last but not the least, performance of the fund. Before choosing any kind of equity fund, see the past performance of it, compare it with the peers and benchmark. See whether the performance was consistent or not. So guys, these were the 6 things that you need to consider before investing in equity funds. I hope this video was informative to you. And if you want to know more about personal finance, career building, business and farming courses, do download a Financial Freedom app. You will get the link in the description box. And if you want to get 2000 rupees scholarship, you can use my code ANUKRITI. And if you really like the video, please hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we come up with a new video.